Hi, my name is Steven. Welcome to WpLifestyle. If you're new here, welcome to the WooCommerce series, episode number 2. In the last episode, we graded this simple product right here. If you haven't watched that episode and you want to find out how we graded this, I'm going to leave the link to the tutorial somewhere on this video, or you can check the description box below. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to grade a different type of products called the variable product. Variable products are basically the type of product that will allow you to add different variations like sizes, color, or length, or name it, whatever it is that you want to add, you'll be able to do that in this type of product. The first thing we need to do is to go back to dashboard right here, and then we can go to products and all products. And then over here, you can see that all the products that we have right here is all simple products. Okay, so now I'm going to click on new product from here, or from right here, you can click on add new. I'm going to give my product a name called variable. So you can go ahead and give the product the name of your product. I'm just using variables just for an example. And then over here, I'm going to assign this product to a specific category. So here you can see that we only have one category here called simple. So I'm going to add a new category here called variable. And then I'm going to assign the product to that variable category right here. And then over here, you want to go ahead and give your product a description here. If you have one, if you don't have any description, you can leave it blank. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to fill this up with a dummy text. So I'm going to go over here and get my dummy text right here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have that. Let me clean this up a little bit so it looks nicer. Okay, so we have this. And then I'm going to copy a little bit of this just for the short description. So the short description goes right here anyways, just so at the bottom right here, you can go ahead and keep this short description here. So from here, what we want to do is to change this to a variable product. Now you can go ahead and manage your inventory. You can give this SKU number. So last time we used 0001. You can do the same for your variable product from here. And then if you want to enable stock, if you want to manage stock, you can go ahead and do that. And you can put how many stock you have, like how many products, 100. And then do you want to allow back order? If you want to do that, you can say allow. Or if you want to notify customer, you can go ahead and say allow, but notify customer as well. And then here you can choose your low stock threshold. So what this means is if I have 5 right here, that means if your stock is rolling low to like 95%, and then you're going to get a notification letting you know that you only have 5 stock left. So up to you, you can enable this or disable it. And then from here, if you want this to be sold individually, you can go ahead and select this. Just click on this box right here. This will allow the customer to order one product at a time. They will not be able to order more than one product. But if you want this product to be ordered like maybe 5 pieces or 10 at a time, you can go ahead and uncheck this. So I'm going to leave that unchecked for now. And then for the shipping, we don't have any shipping class yet. If we do have a shipping class, you will see all of them here. You can go ahead and select that shipping class. I'm going to make a separate tutorial about shipping. That's where I'm going to show you how you can define different type of shipping class. And then over here for the weight and the length, the width and height, I'm going to leave that blank because we're creating a variable product. I'm going to enter individual weight for all the products once we get to different type of products. Okay, so let's go to the next one is the length product. Here you can select your upsells and your cross sells. So you can go ahead and select any product that you already have in your shop as your upsell and your cross sell as well. So we only have one product, so I'm just going to select that just as an example. Then I'm going to select any of the products here. You can add as many products as you want. I'm going to do the same here. So you can add as many products as you want. Okay, so the attributes, this is where we're going to define different type of attributes for the product, for this variable product, like color, size, length. So whatever your attribute is, this is where you're going to define that. So from here, I'm going to add a custom product attribute. And then here we're going to give that attribute a name. So I'm going to give this one size. And then here you are going to define the values for that size, like small, medium, large. This is where you're going to define it. So I'm going to use S for small, space, and then I'm going to put this. What do you call this? A stroke, pipe, vertical line. I'm not sure. Just let me know what you call this in the description box below. And I'm going to put M for medium and L for large. Okay, and then I'm going to use this for variation. So I'm going to select this so it can be used for variations. Now that we have that, click on Save Attributes. And then I'm going to add another custom attribute as well. So for this second attribute, I'm going to name this one color, and then I'm going to give it values like green, white, black. And then I'm going to use it for variations as well. And then I'm going to click on Save Attributes. Now you can see that we have two attributes here. You can go ahead and add more if you have more, but I'm just going to use these two for now. Then I'm going to click on variations here. From here, we're going to click on the drop down arrow right here, and then we're going to select grade variation from all attributes, and then click on go. And it's going to ask you if you are sure, blah, 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 say yes. Here you can see that 9 variations has been added. Just click on OK. And then here you can see that we have different variations right here. So we have 3 smalls, 3 mediums, and 3 large. So that is for the green, white, and black. Green, white, and black, you can see right here. So from here you can go ahead and define the price for each size. For small, let's say this one is $5. You can go ahead and put that here, for example, but I'm going to leave that empty for now. And then if you want a sell price, if you want a schedule price for this specific size, you can go ahead and do that from here as well. But for now, because I want the same price for all of them, I'm going to go ahead and enter all the prices at once instead of doing it individually. So to add all the prices at once, what we need to do is to go over here and click on this drop down arrow right here. And then here, if we scroll down, we can see from here, I think you can see here, set regular prices. And if you click on that and click on go, and from here, you can enter prices for all of these. So any price you put here is going to apply to all the products, including the small, medium, and large. So I'm going to put $20.99. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. So now if I click on random product right here, if I click on this, you can see the regular price is $20.99. If I click on another one, you can see the regular price is $20.99. So it's going to go ahead and set this for every single product. And then if we want to manage stock, instead of doing it individually, since we have the same amount of stock for all the products, we can go ahead and go here and activate that as well. So to do that, we're going to click on the drop down arrow, and then we're going to select toggle manage stock. So click on go. So that will go ahead and enable this. Now you can see that manage stock has been selected. So we're going to go ahead and add the number of stock that we have. So we're going to scroll down here to inventory, and then we're going to select stock and click on go from here. And then we're going to say that we have maybe 50 of each. Okay, we click OK here. And now if I click on any random product here, you can see that we have 50 in stock. The same thing here, you can see that we have 50 in stock. So if you want to manage things like weight or something, you can go ahead and do the same as well. But I'm just going to leave only the stock and prices for now. And then I'm going to go to individual size and color here. So for example, here, if you want to add a specific sell price, you can go ahead and put that here. Or if you want to add the weight and size and dimension, you can put that here as well. But I'm going to leave all of that blank. So if you want to do all that, go ahead and do that. If you want to add the specific description for each of them, you have to come in here and paste the description here as well. But I'm going to leave that blank as well. So now from here, what we're going to do is go over here on the side. We're going to add product tags. So this is shoes. We are selling shoes, right? So we're going to add shoes, of course, and then maybe men's shoes. So go ahead and add as many tags as you want, and then maybe soccer shoes. So go ahead and add as many tags as you want, and then you can scroll down here and select product image. And from here, I'm going to add this product image right here for all the products. So when I add this here, this is going to show for every single size and color. So let me go ahead and publish this. And now if we go to the products here and click on shop page, now you can see that we have that product right here. If I click on it, so you can see that this one's here, because it's a simple product, it's asking you to add to cart, but this one will not ask you to add to cart. It's going to ask you to select option, because we have like different variations, like different colors and sizes. So you're going to click on that, and you can see it will open right here. Then you can go ahead and choose the size that we define here, like medium, small, large. And then once you choose that, you're going to choose green, white, black. Then you're going to add that to cart. You can see that we have 50 in stock here, and you can see the product description that we gave that. And then you can see the upsell that we have over here. You can see, and then from here you can see that the product is still the same. So if we want to have like a different color, you know how if we select black, for example, only the black shoe will display here. If we select white, only the white one will display. If you want to do that, you have to go back here and then go back to the product variations over here. Okay, go back to variations here, and then over here we want to give each a different image. So from here you can see that we have the green, so we're going to go here and select the green one like this. So now we have the green selected, so I'm going to go here, and the white one, I'm going to select the white one from here. Then I'm going to select the black one from here. You can see here, this is just for the small ones. You can go ahead and do the same for medium and the large one as well. So I will select green here. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this part. I'm going to enter all this, and then we're going to continue. Okay, so I've gone ahead and entered all the product images for every single one. So now that I've entered all the product images for every single one, I'm going to go ahead and click on update from here. Now, if we go back here and refresh this page like this will still be the default product, but over here, if we choose a different color, like a small, like this, and then we choose the color like white, now we're going to get this product here, like the white one. And then if we choose a different size here, it's still going to be the same image, because we have the same image for the different sizes. But for the color, if we choose like a black one, it's going to be the black one here. And if we choose like a green one, it's going to be the green one here. So another thing you can do is, if you want to have like a cell for like a different size, so maybe you want to have like just the white ones, or maybe the black ones, you want to have those on sale, you can just go back here and scroll down here and go to variations here. And now we're going to go to the medium one, the black one here, for example, and then we're going to put a sale price for like $15.99. Now if I update that and go back here and refresh this page, now you can see that the price have changed here from $15.99 to $20.99. So that means if you select the medium one, the black one, you can see that the price is $15.99 instead of $20. But if we select like a different color, you can see the price will become $20. So that's how you can create a variable products in WooCommerce. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when next I upload the next episode. And I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next episode.